Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are trying to explain the Pythagoras theorem working model. So in this model we are trying to depict the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. So there is a formula they are provided by the Pythagorean is c square is equal to a square plus b square. C square is nothing but an hypotenuse in a given right angle triangle, and A and B is A is in height and B is in base here. Now, so in this working model we are trying to depict C square is equal to A square plus B square. Whatever the hypotenuse we have, that is equal to base plus height. That is what we wanted to depict in this working model. Now we will show you with certain example how this working model really works. First example we are trying to show is, so A is 25 and B is 5, which is height is which is perpendicular is 5 centimeter and base is 25 centimeter. Now if we see how much the hypotenuse will come is, it should come 25.5 centimeter. So we are trying to show you how the hypotenuse increases, because now we are trying to put the height up to 5 centimeter. If you can see, right, we are trying to show you the 5 centimeter. Now the distance from here to here it should be 25.5. Now we are trying to measure it 25.5. Now we are trying to measure it in scale. It should come as a 25.5. So now if you can see, right, we are seeing which is 25.5 centimeters, which is exactly whatever the Pythagoras theorem talks about. It is going to represent in this way. We have another example which is which is base is 25 and height is 8 centimeter. Here you should get 26.5. Now we are trying to showcase when the height becomes 8 centimeter. So how much would be hypotenuse, which is c square, that we are going to demonstrate here. So basically the hypotenuse you should get, c should be 26.5. So now we are going to measure whether that really comes or not. So now this entire distance you should get 26.5. So this is exactly we are getting 26 centimeter. So that's also good. The Pythagoras theorem clearly, whatever it talks about c square is equal to a square plus b square, that really holds good with this working model. I hope you guys really like this video, and you guys really like this working model as well. Please like this video as well as share with your friends, so that all your friends also will get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.